Now, the legal terminology which is used in the legal field: court. Court is the place where the individual can file a case to get justice, to solve the problem whenever he or she wants, whenever he or she is in trouble, he or she can get the help of court. Ain, the law promulgated by legislature parliament, is known as ain. It is the supreme legislation under which other rules and regulations are based. For example, evidence act. But above this ain there is constitution. This ain is promulgated by legislature for the benefit of the people as well as country, in order to secure the rights and duties also. But if the laws mentioned in the ain and the laws mentioned in the constitution is controversial, then this ain will be repealed. Some example can be the Evidence Act 2031, Human Trafficking Act, District Court Act, Supreme Court Act, Niyamavali. Any rules and regulation by laws made under supreme legislation is called Niyamavali. It is also called delegated legislation or subordinates. It is the combination of rules and regulation which should be followed under the ain, under the act. And there are some Niyamavali like Supreme Court Regulation Act, regulation, Supreme Court Regulation, District Court Regulation, ordinance also known as adhyadesh, the law made by president regarding any specific issue that is to be executed for a certain period of time is called ordinance. It is short term, as usually made in the absence of parliament session. When there is the absence of parliament or end of parliament, and if the law is necessary to make, then the executive body can make and give to the president to approve that ordinance, and president will approve that ordinance, and after the approval of ordinance by president, it becomes the law, and it will be valid for 60 days, and also it can be converted into law when the parliament sits and approved it as a law. Advocates is a person who designated license for practicing law, for representing party in the court of law, are lawyers. Advocate is also known as the lawyer who pleads in the courts on the behalf of his or her client in order to keep all the information or the proof which is regarding any cases in front of judge, in order to give justice to his or her client. Senior advocate, advocate or the lawyer who have practiced the legal practice for 15 years can get the license of senior advocates from the Nepal Bar Council. Judge, a person who adjudicate judges, gives decision in the court of law, is judge. A chief justice of Nepal heads all the judge of Nepal. Judge is a person who gives justice by listening to both parties in the courts. Tribunal, a body except the court with the power to adjudicate, dissolve dispute, is called tribunal. Tribunal is also known as a special court where the issues is also, the dispute is also solved. For example, forest department. Quasi judicial bodies. Quasi judicial bodies means any administrative body that function both administratively and judicially is quasi judicial body. The body is usually under the control of the executive and also partially function as a decision making body where provided by law. It is also known as the executive body having the judicial authority. Executive body having judicial authority, which do not follow all the rules and regulation, all the facts which is followed by judiciary, but also helps to solve the problem, and also the handle the cases where the punishment cannot be given for imprisonment more than 6 months. Registrar or Sreshtadar, he is the head of court who register the any cases which has come in the court for file, and he also looks over all the administration of the court. Bench or ijlas, the division of court where hearing of the case takes place with designated judge is called bench. In a court there can be many benches, and where the judge sits and listen to the both clients and give decision, that place or in that room is known as bench or ijlas. Pesi, the date allocated by the court for judiciary procedure is called pesi. It is the date provided by bench itself and includes all the proceedings such as evidence examination, witness examination, lawyer presentation, decision, etc. The specific date is provided to both parties. Pesi means the date which is given to both of the parties to come in the court for the further hearing in any cases, for giving the decision by examining all the witness examination and also the presentation of the lawyer, and by hearing to both parties the decision is given at last. Bahas, the presentation of lawyer in the specific issues in the court is known as bahas. The debate on any cases done between the two lawyer, two advocate in any particular cases is known as bahas. Anusandhan, the investigation of facts in any issue, any crime or any cases, the full investigation is known as anusandhan. Abhiyojan, a process of claiming the accused of any charges after the FIR is registered and the investigation is done. The government attorney makes this make the abhiyog patra against the accused and make file in the court. Faisla, the judgment which is given by the court from the court after listening to all the parties, after the discussion of lawyer and by examining all the evidence, at the last faisla decision is given to the client, that is known as faisla or decision. Firat patra, if the right is violated of any person, he or she file a complaint in the court, that is known as firat patra. Prati uttar patra, the letter which is brought by the defendant after the firat patra is registered in the court by taking his or her opinion about the firat patra is known as prati uttar patra. Sakshi, the person who either see or feels the incident is called sakshi. The person who have seen the incident or cases either by his eyes or listened from any other is known as sakshi. Waris, the representatives of parties. If any parties is unable to go to the court for further hearing, then he or she can send a representatives on the behalf of his or her. That representative is known as waris. The waris can be ordinary or special also. Thank you.